Crazy wheels are spinning like a restless child, running down the tracks in the dead of night. With the moon as my witness, everything feels right. Electricity surges, I can feel the spark. Crazy laughter echoes through the shadows so dark. I'm a rebel with fire, gotta break out of chains on this crazy rock train where madness reigns. Riding the crazy train through waves of desire, screaming down the line, fueled by raging fire. Feel the engine roaring, can you hear it scream? On this crazy rock train, we're living the dream. We're living the dream. No brakes, no limits, we're pushing the edge. Life's a wild gamble, I'm making my pledge. With guitars are blazing, wailing with might. On this roller coaster, nothing's out of sight. Mischief in our souls as we dance through the haze, chasing down the thunder, lost in a daze. Fear's just a whisper in this frantic storm, as the crazy rock train keeps us warm. Riding the crazy train through waves of desire, screaming down the line, fueled by raging fire. Feel the engine roaring, can you hear it scream? On this crazy rock train, we're living the dream. Take a chance, ride the rail. With the spirit of freedom, we'll never fail. Buckle up, baby, it's a hell of a show. With every twist and turn, we're letting it go. The stars come alive, igniting the night. With laughter and music, everything feels right. Crazy thoughts collide in this whirlwind race. Embrace the madness, let's pick up the pace. With every beat dropping, we're losing control. This crazy rock train is claiming our soul.